Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am going to demonstrate how to crochet a magic circle for you today. This technique gives a tidy, organized beginning to your work, and it's ideal for beginners. So, grab your yarn and hook, and let's get started. The magic circle, sometimes referred to as a magic ring, is a technique for beginning round crocheting without leaving a hole in the middle. It enables you to fully close the gap and tighten the beginning loop. First, take the yarn's end and cross it over itself to form a loop. The working yarn should be on the top and the yarn's end at the bottom. Grab the working yarn by sliding your crochet hook under the tail end. Make sure the working yarn is pulled through to form a loop on the hook. Now, chain 1 to secure the loop. This chain does not count as a stitch, it's just to hold the loop in place. Hold the loop steady and crochet the number of stitches indicated by your pattern in the center of the circle. In this case, I will do 6 single crochet. After you've crocheted your stitches, grab the tail end of your yarn and pull it tight. This will complete the circle and close the hole in the center. Then just slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round. At this point, you can go on with your pattern as directed. The magic circle gives your project a clean, organized start and is helpful for amigurumi. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.